Hi guys, this is Alot. We like to quickly show you a kind of update to the Fivebuckx program. The Fivebuckx program is the easiest and the simplest program anybody can join with just 500 naira and be earning consistent 1,000 to 2,000 naira daily, depending on the effort you put into the program. And a lot of people have been asking me some questions regarding the program, so I would like to use this video to answer some of those questions. Number one is, do you need more than one Fivebuckx account? I'll tell you, you don't need more than one Fivebuckx account, because the Fivebuckx, unlike other programs, have been designed in such a way that just one account that you already register is what you continue to use. Even when you complete your matrix, all you have to do is just pay another 500 naira to the assigned person to you, and your old link will still continue to be useful to you, because maybe you have already done a lot of marketing, you've shared your links everywhere, and your account now, you now complete your matrix thinking maybe that account is no longer useful to you. The account is still very, very useful to you. As a matter of fact, that is the account you continue to use, and all the old links that you have already shared, it will still be very, very effective, and it will continue to bring referrals to you. So I urge you to just I advise you to just use only one Fivebuckx account, but you should continue to refer, because some people do the mistake of just referring for and just stop. If you continue to refer in the Fivebuckx, whether you refer 100 people, you still continue to be paid, because that is how the Fivebuckx has been designed. It has been designed to be able to help those that are very hardworking, and are able to get referrals in the program. Even though those that cannot get referrals will still get auto referrals, maybe by somebody that randomly come to the website without getting any particular upline, and the person will be assigned to all those that cannot get referrals on their own, and they will also earn. But the way to earn fast in the Fivebuckx is by referring. So I hope you find this video useful, and those that have not joined, they can see the referral link to the Fivebuckx in the description to this video. Just click on it and create your account. So if you need more or any other information, or more information on the Fivebuckx or any other businesses that I am doing, you can visit my blog. I will put the my blog URL in the description to the video also. So do yourself a favor and visit the blog also. So I wish you good luck in all your businesses, and till the next video that I will do, I say stay blessed. Thanks for watching.